Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a things I bought in lockdown video, so kind of like a haul. But firstly I just want to apologise, I've got the fan on and there is no way I can turn it off. It is so hot here. I'm back in Manchester now and it is 30 degrees at the moment, so it's way too hot for me to turn that fan off, so I'm so sorry if that's annoying. I would probably die if it wasn't on. I'm just going to show you some things that I bought in lockdown, or over the last few months at least anyway. The first thing I'm going to mention, I've got this Pandora box here. Basically I got for my 21st birthday I got a Pandora bracelet. I got a gift voucher with this as well to get a charm for it. So I bought this little Marie charm which looks so cute. It was the Disney ones, and so I paid for half of that myself and half for the gift voucher. I think that charm is £45. I'm going to jump into my Pretty Little Thing haul. I only bought 4 items from Pretty Little Thing, but they're very summery and cute. So the first one is this dress. All of these things are on sale as well, so they're really cheap. I can't remember how much, but I'll find out and put it on the screen. I bought this cute little skirt as well, which is really summery. So it's got just these little frills at the bottom and it is quite tight and hugs in. I think it looks quite mermaidy. This is like a bralette, but it goes round and ties at the front and it matches with that skirt. So it's like a 2-piece set. I think it looks really cute, it just doesn't look great on me. The last skirt I bought is this one here, which is so cute. I love the colours. There's this weird elastic bit around here which I think looks a bit strange, but I love the skirt anyway, and it's quite high-waisted and the colours are just really cute. These are all size 6s as well. The next thing I'm going to mention is recently I discovered this small business eyelash brand, and these are, I think it's Indigo Rosé, and I bought quite a few of these the last few months. So I bought a pair of lashes that were called Lotus and they were limited edition, so there's none of those left now, but they are honestly the most beautiful lashes ever. And then this here is the Glam Edit, so I'm wearing ones from that today. They're called Confidence, and there's other ones in here called Queen and Empower, and the girl that made these actually went to my secondary school as well, so I just feel it's really nice to want to support a small business, especially when they're such impressive products and really good quality. If you haven't heard of them, go check it out on Instagram and I will put a link in the description box. So the next thing I bought in lockdown, you would have seen this in my self-care video. This is a hair mask. This is the Hair Food Banana. I've used quite a bit of this now and it's just so nice. I usually just put it on my hair dry, leave it overnight and then wash it out in the shower in the morning, and my hair just feels so soft afterwards. So that is really nice, and it's meant to smell really good as well, but I wouldn't know. You'll know that if you watch my facts about me video. I can't smell. Another thing I bought from Origins. This set I think was £25, I'm not sure, but I got a set of face masks which are also in my self-care favourites video I think as well. With this set you've got a maskinizer, so you spray this on before you put your masks on, and it's meant to help the products work better. And then I got this Mega Mushroom one, the Drink Up Intensive one, and the Charcoal mask, and these are so good. It's nice to have a collection of face masks so you can just have those pamper nights, but I think good quality face masks are a bit better for sensitive skin like mine. I would love to be able to use just cheap face masks from Superdrug or anything. I'd love to, because I don't really like having to spend £25 on face masks, but my skin just does not approve of that at all, so I have to opt for the more expensive option. I also spent quite a lot at Superdrug over the last couple of months. I've bought quite a lot of makeup, which you can see in my testing drugstore makeup video, but some things I haven't mentioned. I actually bought a few skincare products as well. So I bought this CeraVe eye cream. I didn't use an eye cream before, and then I started to notice little fine lines under my eyes and I thought I need an eye cream ASAP. So I got this one, which is actually really good. I also bought this simple vitamin cream I don't really like this, to be honest. My skin gets a bit sore if I use this, so I haven't actually used this a lot at all, and I've been using my old moisturiser instead. When I bought these, Simple had a sale on, so it was literally like £1 or something, so you know, it's there just in case I need to use it. Then I also bought these little brow trimmers. I've used these quite a few times. These are also good for like that, to like shave your face instead of using a normal razor, and they're just really good and really cheap. So, and then another thing I bought from Superdrug was this Revolution 12.5% vitamin C serum. I've never used a vitamin C serum before, but this actually just feels really good. I thought I'd be quite sensitive to it, but I'm not, so that's good. I think my skin had a little bit of a purge when I first used it, and just spots came up everywhere. I think that's bound to happen when you introduce a new ingredient into your skincare, so I just kind of let that pass and carried on using it, and then, you know, it got better. So some other things I would like to mention that I bought. Filming equipment I actually bought with my birthday money, but I got quite a few really cool things with that. So I bought the backdrop, which you would have seen in pretty much all of my singing videos and some of my videos like this. A bright pink backdrop which you can turn around, and it's like a white with like a pink tinge as well, so I like to use both of those. I also bought the backdrop stand, which is really cool. That was from Amazon and folds down to like this length, and but it's absolutely massive when you like pull it out and set it up and everything. I also bought my ring light, which is quite small. When I've got natural light, there's no point really using it, so I don't use that often. I would like to purchase some like box lights. I also got the tripod that the camera is on from Amazon, and that was really cheap as well, and you know, everything's been really useful. It's been really nice to buy some new things and treat myself the last few months. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!